Hello and welcome to another edition of Copy My Trades. This is Saturday, March the 18th of 2017. Let's take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin prices right this very second. We're just touching under $1,000 US. And there will be a link below this video to refer you back to a video I made right at this moment here, where on 12 o'clock or so, March 15th, I was calling this top and recommending that you should be looking at digital currencies. But for this video, we're going to go over to one broker and we're going to look at the most successful traders here. And we're going to take a look at these first top 5 traders. So I've opened them up into another panel and we see Gloria. Gloria is trading mostly Forex. When I go down the line, we see Wharton, EBIT, RG, and ECOFs. We see that Wharton is mostly crypto. We have, who is this? EBIT is mostly crypto. Sorry. So we have Gloria, who's mostly Forex. Crypto. RG is mostly commodities. And ECOFs is a bit of both. And so now what I want to do is take a look at each of their trades. So I've got them organized now to say that we've got one Forex trader predominantly, we've got 2 heavy Bitcoin traders, and we've got one person who's more of a commodities trader, and then ECOFs, which is a bit of a mixed trader there. So let's see who has been doing what for Gloria and Wharton to get these plus 400 and plus 200% trades this month. So right now, Gloria is short oil, waiting for that market to open at 50 times leverage and waiting for these other markets to open right now at a really nice profit. We'll see how that turns out when the markets open. Interesting though to see that the most recent trades have all been in the euros in the Forex. 80% down, 124% up, 75 or 119%. These 80% drawdowns are 92%, 80%, 92% down drawdown. Those are killers no matter what market you're looking at. So I'm not happy to be trading and following Gloria myself just because of those drawdowns. Now let's take a look at Wharton, who's been in the top list before. A couple 26, 25% drawdowns, doing 10 times leverage, long on Bitcoin, but I don't see any open things. I didn't see any short trade on Bitcoin as it really came crashing down. So this is still from prior going long on it. Here's a couple shorts. Long on it with small trades, each one at 10 times leverage and very little profit or loss. So jumping in and out real quickly. And let's go back to the statistics on this. The average trade time is 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours, where Gloria's average trade time is 1.8 days. But those 80% drawdowns are unacceptable. Let's go down to average holding time of 1.8 days for EBIT. Holding some highly leveraged trades over the weekend at a loss as the markets closed. Okay, doing lots of longs on Bitcoin. Ouch, 10 hours ago, 2 hours ago, really took some hammering. 80% down, 80% down, 80% down. So really sticking on the long side, as Bitcoin nailed us and went for a really big down out of a So that's a killer. Where were we? Wharton, you're okay. EBIT, you really took a hammering here. Lots of comments on this. What are people saying? Should have closed this while it was at 25% green. Yeah. Where is this comment was deleted? I don't like that. Where's the following stop loss on something that's green? So EBIT, you also are chopped. I've been watching too many Food Network. Gloria, you've been chopped because of your drawdowns. EBIT, you chopped 38 copiers, and a lot of people took a nailing on that one. So reconnect now. Now we're looking at RG, and RG was mostly commodities, which is where I am mostly. You can see that I'm long in silver, gold, and oil, and I can talk about that later. Let's take a look at RG's trades. Okay, he's got some open trades in Bitcoin, open trade in silver, gold, silver, gold, silver, gold, silver, gold. Okay, so I really agree with what RG is doing in his trades. I like the trading patterns that he's looking at, if he's looking at the same things I am. And March 17th, he was doing some longs on Bitcoin and some more longs on gold and silver. So he's in and out of his longs on gold and silver rather quickly and made some great trades here at 5 times leverage back. So he's got some nice history. I wish I could star him to follow him now or add him to a list that I like. RG, high five. Eckhoffs, didn't we just look at you? No, this is the mixed trader, crypto, forex, and a little bit of commodity. Interesting. So no open trades over the weekend. Nothing in this major Bitcoin dump right now that's happening. No trades since March 10th. So this is older news now. Nothing recent, but we can go through and see that minus 20, minus 59 as a maximum drawdown, minus 30%, minus 9, minus 23%. So one trade that was down minus 50%, but that takes a lot to recover from. So this video is sponsored in part by a mention of CoinTracking, and you can get a 10% discount on the full version of CoinTracking by clicking through my referral link below. And you can see here where I've imported my Poloniex trading history for just one of my accounts where I invested 0.9 Bitcoin, and this account is now worth 3.4 Bitcoin. So it's got some really nice profits on some of these trades. And if I go to the unrealized gains chart here, I can really break down to see which of my trades have been most profitable, how much did I invest, and how much is it worth. I think that was the cost per unit, and this is the current unit price. So it's fantastic to really check out what kind of profit and losses I've had over time in these trades. And you can do the same thing by clicking on the link below this video and going to CoinTracking through my referral link. You'll save 10%, or just go to cointracking.info and sign up for free. You get the first 200 trades for free. So is Bitcoin cracking lower? In the video that I made here just the other day, I was predicting that Bitcoin would be seeing the 50% level. So if we go to the 3-day chart and pull out the Fibonacci tool, go from the bottom and stretch it up to the top, look at the 50% level, which is about the 746 level. We could be expecting Bitcoin to come down here, bounce around for a while, and then gain its momentum for the next bull-shaped run. Could be a short-term down, who knows? I don't know what the shape of the pattern is, but I'm expecting Bitcoin prices are going to go from the 20 billion market cap that they're at now, and it's going to go to 200 billion market cap. But in the meantime, all of this easily, this market cap that's come into Bitcoin now is really easy for it to slide over into the cryptocurrencies, into things like Ethereum, Monero, Dash, Zcash, Shadow Coin, Bullberry. Lots of these anonymous coins are gaining much more favor because people are finding out that Bitcoin is not indeed anonymous, and in fact is the ideal way to track people's financial doings. So there she goes down further again. Copy My Trades is focused on what you can do over on one broker to copy people's trades and to put your account on autopilot, but also so that you can go in and, if you're a good trader, you can be publishing your trades and build up an audience of successful traders. If you have 31 copiers copying you, you will get 31 trades times the commission, 25% of the commission. So if it's a quick way to add on earnings and profits if you are successful, and you can build up a great number of followers. So I am interested in getting followers in my trades, and I'm doing a very different trading system than the other guys that I'm watching here. My focus is a long-term holding at low leverage, and so right now I have 4 losing trades, all of them very, very small losses, as I was trying to get a good position in the S&P 500 to go short on it. And I'm still watching for a position to go short. I was watching out of this consolidation pattern here, and I got stopped out at a very small loss. And then I'm watching again for that consolidation. At the end of the weekend, I wasn't ready to go short again on this, and so I'm just sort of hanging out watching this. We'll see what goes on in the market. But you can see I have a number of small trades here in silver, gold, and oil, and I want to hold those for a long time and really grow my Bitcoin with no fees. And this is what I'm looking to do for if you're going to be copying my trades. There's going to be lots of small trades as I get a position on, and then there's going to be very little trades as that position is correct, and I'll just follow with stop losses up afterwards. But definitely a long-term process of trading the world markets, and I'm focused primarily on gold, oil, silver, and the S&P 500. And I will probably get more into not the Forex, I'll take a look at them, but a lot of the stocks I think are going to be opportunities to be shorting them, just as the same as the S&P 500. These are all what the S&P 500 is made up of. And so a lot of these stocks are going to have the top formations that I'm looking for. And you can expect the same type of style of one-to-one leverage positions in those markets, and I'm likely looking to short a whole bunch of them. And then hold them for 2 months, if 2 or 3 months, and watch for those chart patterns to go. So when I do get a correct trade, I'll immediately put my stop loss to protect that investment. So it can only be a very small loss. The market comes back against that initial trade. And then as the market gains, I'll be leaving my stop loss percentage-wise further and further back to give the market more and more room in the trend, and I don't want to get stopped out early. I want to be holding these for a long time. So that's my trading philosophy and strategy that I'll be doing in my trading. In the meantime, I do go and also trade over on Poloniex. And if you're interested in learning more about that, you can join the trading school and course that I have that teaches about trading digital currencies, like you see here. There is some absolutely fantastic gains coming up in these markets, and if you know the chart patterns to look for and you're positioned correctly now, these are good days. Anyway, I'm going to sign off from this live feed on Copy My Trades channel on YouTube. Good luck in all of your trading, no matter which markets you're in.